Thursday was great across the region because we got a break from some of that rainfall, but this morning the shower activity moved back in, and we've been having off and on showers here as we've headed throughout Friday so far, and that's just going to continue as we head throughout this evening and yes, even unfortunately for our Saturday. Taking a look out at the airport right now, we do have some damp runways. Notice that the shower activity has kind of picked up a little bit there. Not super heavy rainfall associated with this, really light to moderate rain, and it's not slowing down the airport by much at all. We're not seeing any big weather delays, and that's good to see. You still see some of those aircraft heading down the runway there. Looking out towards Truist Park, of course, there is a ball game tonight. The Padres are in town. They've got the tarp on the field. They are anticipating that shower that's down to the south that's going to be moving over. Right now, no rain, it looks like they're at Truist Park, but some shower activity not far away from there. They're trying to at least have the ball field ready. There's a chance that the shower activity kind of dodges everything and they still manage to have the game just fine, but know that you are going to be if you're heading out to the game, you're going to be wanting to be prepared for any rainfall that could occur. Looking out towards Mercedes-Benz Stadium, you see a nice look there too, and then looking fairly dry out towards Blue Ridge right now, but again, they have shower activity possible as well. There you see it, scattered showers. That was the forecast for today, and it's happening right here over the region. They actually have even a few more thunderstorms when we look further down towards the south, heading down towards the Montgomery area, stretching over towards Albany. They're having some thunderstorms as well. Nothing severe with this right now, but a strong storm could be possible, especially when you look just southwest of Montgomery there at the end of the radar loop. A little bit of a stronger storm there heading towards the I-65 corridor. And you see even some more heavy rain that's stretching even all the way back towards Laurel and Hattiesburg, Mississippi. A wider look at the southeast shows that, again, it's not just us. You see a bulk of the heaviest of the rain and the thunderstorms. They will stay south of Atlanta for today, but again, we still get some light to moderate showers passing over our region. Now, the severe threat, it's way down to our south. You see that level 1 risk in green stretching south of the Macon area now not even including any of our southern counties. This morning when the Storm Prediction Center put out their outlook, they did include Troup, Meriwether County, Spalding County, and stretching further to the east, closer on towards Macon. But now not even included in that. It looks like the strongest of the storms are going to stay way down to the south there for southern Alabama, southern Georgia, and then stretching into the Florida Panhandle. For tomorrow, though, we are going to have a chance for some strong to severe storms here in North Georgia. A level 1 risk here stretching through the Atlanta area, even as far north as Floyd County and into Rome, Athens included, and even into far northeast Georgia where we have the level 1 risk. The level 2 risk, or the spot where we're possibly going to have a few more storms that could become strong to severe, is going to be southeast of the 11 Alive viewing area. Augusta stretching down to Macon and then all the way down towards Valdosta and Brunswick, Savannah, a little bit more in the way of strong to severe storms down in their direction. So what does a marginal risk mean again? It means that an isolated severe storm could be possible, limited in duration and or coverage or intensity. So we're not talking about really intense storms here, but again, a strong storm or two could be possible there as we head throughout the day on Saturday. Let's take a look at the timeline for this. Forecast track shows, first of all, for today, that the thunderstorm activity stays down to our south, kind of looking down into central and southern Georgia there, middle Georgia to southern Georgia rather. See by 3 p.m. some more thunderstorms down their way. We continue our way through the timeline here and into later on this afternoon. Again, the bulk of the rain down to our south. I think we still have a few more showers over the Atlanta area at this time. I think this one weather model is being a little too generous, trying to show us drier. And then we still have some shower activity even as we head into tonight. Moving into Saturday now. This is Saturday at 1 a.m., so really early in the morning, maybe a spotty shower or two, but by 5:30 a.m., still I think we're going to be dealing with some showers. We head into the afternoon, and this is going to be when the thunderstorm activity starts to pick up, that chance for the stronger storms. This is 2:30 in the afternoon, a few yellows and oranges there showing around, up around the Carrollton and Marietta area. Those storms continue to move across even by about 6:30 p.m., and I want you to look further to the west by about 6:30. This is the Birmingham area, big cluster of thunderstorms. That's going to shift off to the east, and that's going to impact us as we head into the late afternoon, early evening hours there on Saturday. There you see it moving over by about 10:30 in the evening Saturday, where we could have another round of strong storms before things get a little bit quieter overnight Saturday and into Sunday morning. Sunday's just a 30% chance for rain, a few isolated showers, maybe a very brief rumble of thunder, and that would be about it. Highest chances for rain going to be here for Friday and Saturday. Sunday, again, just a 30% chance for rain, but we will be dry again for Monday through Wednesday, with temperatures getting back well above average there for Tuesday and Wednesday into the mid to upper 80s.